In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the name on your Xfinity bill. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to update so your preferred name shows up correctly on your account and on most communications, including your monthly bill. Start by opening a web browser and going to xfinity.com. Sign into your account with your usual credentials. If you manage more than one profile, make sure you're signing in as the profile you want to update. Give the page a moment to load fully so all the account options appear. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen for the person icon. It may look like a silhouette or your profile image. Click that icon to open your account settings. This is your shortcut to all of your personal information and security tools, so it's the right place to make changes that carry across your account. From the menu that opens, select Account and Identity. This section contains your profile details, contact information, and identity preferences. It's where you control how your name is displayed to you and, in many cases, to Xfinity on statements and notifications. Next, click Xfinity ID and Security. Don't worry, although it mentions security, this page also includes your display information. Here you'll find fields for your chosen name and, if available, pronouns. Your chosen name is the name Xfinity uses in most customer-facing places, which can include your bill, emails, and the account dashboard. Follow the prompts to update your chosen name or pronouns. Type your name exactly as you want it to appear, paying attention to spelling and capitalization. If you're updating pronouns, pick the option that best reflects how you want to be addressed. If you don't see a pronouns field, that's okay, just focus on the chosen name. Take a moment to review what you've entered before moving on. When you're ready, save your changes to apply the update. Look for a Save or Confirm button and click it once. You should see a quick confirmation on screen. If the change doesn't appear immediately, try refreshing the page or signing out and back in. Some updates can take a short time to show up everywhere. And that's it, your name information on your Xfinity account has been successfully updated. As a quick note, if you're trying to change the legal name of the account holder of record, different policies may apply and documentation could be required. For most people, though, updating the chosen name here will adjust how your name appears on your bill and across your account. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with seeing the right name on your Xfinity documents.